A modern bathroom is not just a functional space, but should also reflect your style and personality. With careful planning, smart bathroom design can create a space both beautiful and practical. If you are limited on floor space, consider installing wall-mounted jugs. Provide extra storage without taking up floor space. You can use these jugs to store towels, toiletries, and other bathroom essentials. Utilizing the corners in your bathroom can help you gain valuable storage space. Consider installing a corner cabinet. Help to keep bathroom organized and clutter-free. Modern bathroom vanity is not only a functional item, but can also add style to your bathroom design. A vanity provides ample storage space for your toiletries and towels. A vanity also gives you a space to hide away your bathroom essentials, giving your bathroom a clean and organized look. Baskets and bins can be a great way for your toiletries and towels. Place them on shelves or under the vanity to keep your bathroom organized. You can even use them to store extra toilet paper and cleaning supplies. A medicine cabinet is a great option for storing your everyday bathroom items. You can even use them to store medications and first aid supplies. Creating modern bathroom both stylish and practical is easy in bathroom design and storage solutions. Follow us and get more details.